Come on, let go.
Scrap metal for sorting, Mossy, the whole crate.
One sweep and every bit of metal in that crate comes up. The stuff still lying there isn't real metal. Metal sticks. I bet it's shiny painted plastic.
Up came the magnet, empty. All four stayed put.
Sort that lot and a basket of berries is yours. How's it going over there?
Great. Nearly finished.
Not metal, this one's brass. That wire's copper. The can is aluminum, so is the tray. All four came off my own shelves.
How did it know which ones to pick?
Bet it's just weak. Get a bigger one.
Two claws. These are tools, not toys, in your claws or in the crate, and never near anyone's face.
And keep them away from my berry basket.
It won't even lean. Not one bit.
Hold on. Same magnet, same spot, only the thing changed. So it isn't the magnet. It's the object.
Funny thing, that's the lot I carry inside every time it rains. Those are the only ones that go rusty.
His wrench. Rusty.
It's not just metal. It's iron. Nails, chain, hinges, those are steel, and steel is mostly iron. It picks the ones with iron inside.
Then sort this one out for me. These two go in different bins, and I've never once been able to tell them apart.
Two cans. One swung across. One didn't move. Nothing outside told them apart, but the inside did.
I never finished your job. This thing only picks up the iron.
Oh, but that is the job. Nobody can sort them by looking.
One sweep. 5 cans up, 4 left on the bench. Sorted, without opening a single one.
Earned. The big recycling yard down the valley does this all day long, with magnets the size of a door.
Iron is the one you'll actually find around the house. A few rarer metals get pulled too, but not the copper wire, and not the brass bell.
You can't tell what something's made of just by looking at it. But you can ask it, if you're holding the right tool. Hey! Why are they pushing each other?
Ha! Flip it and they hug.
Next time in Ember Hollow, something that should sink, but doesn't. Subscribe so you don't miss it.